At chartingwealth.com, we teach you how to read stock charts. One of the most important things you must develop the ability to do if you want to be a successful investor or trader. How do we do it? Well, on a daily basis, we review for you for free the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, 20-year bonds, and gold. It's a nice array of ETFs that we look at, and we teach you how to understand the ebb and flows in the market, the waves, as it were. Both the biggest wave that we typically look at, which is the weekly chart. We also look at the 2-day chart and the 4-hour chart, and we help you find entry points when certain things occur. The biggest occurrence we have is something called a weekly vertical crossover. That is when we see movement signifying a change in trend, either up or down on that exchange traded fund. And it's an exciting time when those occur. And then we look for entry points. We also look for exit points for successful trades. Now, what we do every day is simple, but it takes your dedication and your work, but only 8 to 10 minutes a day. If you're interested, truly interested, in learning how to read stock charts, you need to join us each and every day. We have all the information for free at the website. We have recommendations on daily training videos. And again, everything is there for you. You don't have to make it complicated. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in courses. There is no magic. It is just work. And on a daily basis, you can engage in that work with us. We will help you. It's chartingwealth.com. Sign up, subscribe. Also go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to that, and we will feed you every day what you need to know to start learning how to read stock charts. And when you have that ability developed, you will be a power to be reckoned with.